Hi there! Today I'm going to unbox Asus Chakram wireless gaming mouse. As you can see, here we have a very solid, well-made gift box design. The overall packaging looks very nice and premium. By opening the gift box, here it is. Asus Chakram is well packed inside a plastic cover to prevent any damage or burst during the shipment. Hand shape is all that matters. Our engineers dedicated to create a comfortable hand shape has worked with gamers for iterative prototypes to refine the most comfortable hand shape design. Compared to Gladius series mouse, you can find Chakram is slightly larger, wider, and taller. Gamers will find it a cozy palm grip due to its hand shape. Moving on to the scroll wheel, of course we select premium Alps as the key part. On the outer skin, you can find it is fully rubberized with line texturing, which helps reduce chances of slipping with sweaty hands. At the bottom, there's 3 relatively large Teflon mouse feet, provides smooth gliding and extra durability. Let's talk about the build quality. With tactile clicks and smooth scroll, you might find it satisfying while scrolling and clicking. No matter how hard you push on the top of the shell, there's no squeaks. Everything is aligned perfectly. To summarize, Asus Chakram features semi-transparent design on the top shell, with a smooth matte material to touch. Our designer placed great emphasis on all the details which makes the mouse look and feel premium. Asus Chakram is a tri-mode wired 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth gaming mouse featuring with an advanced 16,000 dpi optical sensor. Let's take a try with the pan test. There is no unwanted angle snapping, which means it performed well. When it comes to charging performance, use the Type-C input to charge up to 12 hours of gameplay from just a 15-minute fast charge. One thing to mention is that fast charging is only available with USB 3 or adapter charging. And as a bonus, Qi charging is also available. The DPI switch is at the bottom of the mouse in order to avoid any misclicks. When switching 4 different levels of DPI, the color on the mouse will change accordingly. What's more, our exclusive feature DPI on the scroll lets you tune your own level without adjusting into the software. All you have to do is hold and press DPI switch for 3 seconds, and then scroll to set the sensitivity, and then press again while you finish setting. Apart from the performance, Chakram is truly a customizable mouse. Encourage gamers to DIY for different usage and purposes. The Asus exclusive push-fit switch socket design can be really helpful when you want to replace broken switches or customize the click resistance. Open the detachable magnetic cover and then remove the 2 scrollless magnetic keys. After that, use the tweezer to take out the switches and put in the new ones. Good as new again. Inside the mouse, you can replace the badge with your own personalized one. You can customize the provided blank badge by drawing or put stickers on it. Apart from the DIY part, the pivoted mechanism utilizes springs and metal hinges to balance the keys and minimize the distance into zero gap between the buttons and switches, ensuring superb responsiveness and consistency with every click. There are 2 different lengths of joystick and 1 socket cover are provided, allowing gamers to choose the one that best fits their hand, or remove the joystick completely and replace it with the cover. For smooth installation and to avoid damage, please ensure correct orientation when inserting the joystick into the socket. With the joystick, full customization and more intuitive in-game control is available in 2 different modes. Analog mode ideal for flight sims and racing games for 360-degree control. Digital mode ideal for first-person shooter or battle royale arena commands with the 4 programmable direction buttons. Asus Chakram features 3 default profiles, and each profile stands for a certain default function. Profile 1 for full direction digital mode. Profile 2 for 360-degree analog mode. Profile 3 for gamepad mapping mode in Steam. Here, we are going to demo analog mode through the game Ace Combat 7, and we are going to do the in-game setting step by step. First, switch to Profile 3, which is gamepad mapping mode, and then launch Steam. Second, follow the below instruction. Third, set button 0 to 3 to each command by clicking mouse buttons. And then map the joystick axis. Press Escape on your keyboard, then click Save to complete. Don't forget to switch back to Profile 2, which is analog mode, before entering the game. After entering into Ace Combat 7, you can easily control the view direction and plan direction when you move your joystick in 360 degrees. Also, you can turn the view by pressing and holding the Alt on the keyboard. Other than games in Steam, use Profile 1, which is digital mode, to map commands, which provides 4 different buttons. Making the overall movement more smoothly and intuitive in FPS games is possible after some simple software setup. You can set the button to reload, switch weapons, summon a map, push to talk, or any other in-game action you choose to configure. Software offers extensive control. You can assign the mouse button for different functions such as media, shortcut, macro, gamepad settings, and so much more. Performance adjusting is available as well. Click the DPI, polling rate, button response, or pitch the angle snapping mode if you want to. You can even track hardware stats during gameplay for data analysis. Last but not least, create profiles as you want and save all kinds of adjustments inside the software. As for lighting effects, you can not only redefine the direction, speed, or brightnesses, but also choose many kinds of default effects including static, breathing, color cycle, wave, etc. Powered by AuraSync, the entire color spectrum and a range of dynamic lighting effects are at your command to create a mouse that's uniquely yours. To summarize, ROG Chakram features tri-mode connectivities with a programmable, removable joystick that puts superior control right under your thumb. Factor in fast charging, wireless Qi charging, pivoted buttons, detachable magnetic covers, and a unique DPI on the scroll featured for easy accuracy adjustment. ROG Chakram is definitely a recommended gaming mouse.